Hey everybody, how's it going today? Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day. I used to say here in Michigan, but I got to change that up and say beautiful day here in Tennessee. Got some rain today. So, hey, things are green. Corn's up about 6 inches. We're about the middle of May, so things are moving along. On this video, we're going to go ahead and show you in-floor heat as far as the tubing, the foam, and the concrete being poured and finished and cut. So hopefully you stick around and watch the whole video. The other thing is any questions you can ask, but it's pretty basic. There's a lot of people out there doing in-floor heat and stuff like that. So we, Brenda and I, we did lay the cement contractor put down the bisqueen. Brenda and I, we did do the 2-inch foam board, and we did lay the tubing, 1/2 inch, 300-foot rolls tubing. We did 7 rows, or 7 loops, I should say, and it took us a good 6 hours, if not 7. And we were whipped. I mean, we're getting up there in age, but hey, we got her done. And so we got that done. I apologize because, like I say, the camera fell and wasn't recording, and my mistake. I'll be a little bit more careful on the rest of this project, but it went good. And then what we did is, you'll see, we took the pictures of the in-floor. My loops are 7 loops. 1 through 4 will be, the front room, kitchen area, and the master. 1, 2, part of 3 is, and then 3 is kind of getting the master bathroom, and then 4, a little bit of 3, and all of 4 is pretty much Brenda's craft room, and then 5, 6, and 7 will be the over for the guest 2 rooms and their bathroom. So with my balancing valves, if I want to pinch that off, I can pinch them off, or just leave the house and just let it heat the whole thing. That's probably what I do. All my other 3 houses, I didn't mess with it. I just let it heat to 72 degrees all the time and just left it alone. So anyway, we'll finish this up with the cement contractor. So hopefully you enjoy. Appreciate everybody watching our channel. Please subscribe if you wish. If not, just keep an eye on us. Things are moving right along here in Tennessee. So thanks for watching.
How many times have you felt helpless? Been told you're worthless. I wonder what next. And how many days do you fear tomorrow? With little to no hope, will life still go on? How long has it been since you lost the one thing that made life worth living? Tore out your heartstrings. And how long now have you been living upside down in a world that's turned round, just chasing the crowd? or pounding the pavement into the ground, searching every lost and found. Could anyone have found that piece of you that was torn in two, that you can't undo and can't afford to lose? 'Cause it was all you knew. Well, it feels like you lost your heart, and it feels like you're coming apart. No, it's true, you won't be the same you. On the other side, you'll find there's flowers blooming bright, cover you in colors that you've yet to discover. And though it's true, you won't be the same you. I promise you'll be stronger. Oh, 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 oh. What if that cloud had never shown up? What if your love had been enough? And what if you could just press rewind? What if your mind could travel in time? What might happen deserves attention, 'cause if left unmentioned will breed dissension. But too much what if, what now if I only knew. Getting tired of all the surface stuff, I'm happy. It ain't real and we know it. And we're just fine behind these masks, filling our feet with stories, and don't care that they don't know us. Oh, I need something that lasts through the morning. Darkness and trial, pain and denial. This happy we throw around, it breaks down at the foot of the mountain. I need a greater joy that's steady. I need a joy that's ready to carry a load, that's honest and vulnerable, yeah. I need a greater joy that's got this. I need a joy that promises to carry me through all the things I come to. Yeah, I'm hoping, I'm praying, I need a greater joy. Joy, joy, joy. to always find that elusive silver line. In that line just can't be found. That's when my knees hit the ground. 'Cause joy is more than smiles and laughter, more than happily ever after. In the midst of sorrow, it carries a hope for tomorrow. I need something that lasts through the morning, through darkness and trial, through pain and denial. This happy we throw around, it breaks down. And at the foot of the mountain, I need a greater joy that's steady. I need a joy that's ready to carry a load, that's honest and vulnerable. Yeah, I need a greater joy.